my name is Joyce and I would like to explain to you why I think I would be suitable for this internship. I'm an international business administration student and right now I'm looking for a new challenge for next year, and I think an internship abroad would be just perfect for that. I love working with children. I've done a lot of babysitting in the past, also helping children with their homework, and I noticed that I really like this. Also because children are better at learning languages when they're at a young age, I think it's important to start learning them English at a young age because it will be a great asset for them in the future. One of my passions is reading, so I would love to help children with choosing the right books and stimulating them to read, because I believe it's very important for one's personal development. It would also be very nice to participate in helping the school with their event management, because it would make my internship more diverse and I would be able to learn more things. In last year, I was a board member of a student-run consultancy firm, and there I've gained a lot of experience with setting up and guiding projects and events, so I think I would be suitable for this. I'm also very interested in learning about the Brazilian culture and also teaching people about my Dutch culture. I've lived abroad twice, and I noticed that people really like hearing about someone else's culture, and it's very rewarding to tell them about that and see how they react to it. Well, besides learning about the Brazilian culture, I would also love to learn Portuguese. My goal for next year is to learn a third language, and since I already have a base in Portuguese, it will be really nice to extend this knowledge. Furthermore, I think Brazil is a beautiful and very diverse country with lots to see. I'm available until July 2014, so if I would need to stay longer, it would be no problem for me. In fact, I would even like it. I hope this short video explains to you more about who I am and why I would be suitable for this internship. I am very enthusiastic about this opportunity and I really hope you pick me. Thank you for watching. Bye.